Good afternoon. Dominic from Dan Racing Pigeon Loft. This is loft number 4. Got my 10-year-old grandson. He just made 10 April 1st. He's cleaning up, helping clean the loft and maintain the loft. Again, this loft here is housing the rest of my 2018. This blue bar right here is one of my 50th state bands, the green band. That one is one of my fraternity. Again, this loft measures 7 feet wide by 8 feet long. I just installed this homemade purchase and stuff. Did a little bit of renovation. This is to house my 2017 old birds that I was gonna do over season, but I didn't fly over season, so now I'm just concentrating on the young birds. This here, this is where I load my racers in the morning. I have the box on the outside. I'll show you a video of the boxes on the outside. Again, I have 3 of them that I open up. After I look at the bird, take a look at the birds, open them up and load them into the carrying crates. This is how to get out, but when there's a lot of rain, I close it. Or a lot of wind, I close it so that the birds are protected from the weather. And then again, out there is the rest of my 2018 young birds. I have quite a bit there. All of that is mostly 2018s. I got a few 2017 birds in here too. Right there is one of them, 2017. That blue bar hen right there, a Lear Herman. The blue bar right there in the back is another Lear Herman. Somehow I got some feather foots. I don't know how that happened, but the parents is a blue check 2016 bird that came back from Honolulu, Hawaii. So that bird got something in them. Gotta see how they fly this year. Even though there's a feather foot, I'm still gonna try fly them. On this side, I have all the hens that I'm done separating. We're done breeding already. So I've got all my hens in here, loft number 5. Again, on the other side, loft 1, 2, 3, and this here is 4 and 5. This side measures 7 by 8, same as the loft number 4. And again, all my lofts have sliding doors. Yeah, so again, this is my second and third round in here, and I'm gonna be training them as soon as they start routing. But I'm probably gonna start with loft 3, the first round birds, 25 of them, and then sooner or later I start training these. So I got about 60 young birds total this year. Again, not the best looking loft, but it'll do for me. With the amount of income I have financially, I do what I can with what I have. I love the sport, and to the rest of you guys, aloha and good luck this year's young bird season. From Dominic, Dan Racing Pigeon Loft, and my helper, grandson, aloha, from East Hawaii Invitational Racing Pigeon Club. Aloha. Hey, don't taste it.